A very good morning to all of you, my dear kids. Today we will move on to the next topic, that is subtraction of two-digit numbers. Okay. In the last class we have learned the addition. That is, what is the sign of addition? That is plus. Now we are doing the subtraction. What is the sign for the subtraction? That is minus. We call it this symbol as minus. We use this to subtract the number. What is subtraction? Subtraction means taking away, to remove. Okay. Now let us do the sums by adding two-digit numbers. Here there are two digits in single digit. How to subtract? The bigger number is 8. We have to subtract 4 from the 8. Okay. Let us subtract 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have to take away 4 from 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how much is left? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4. Again, here there is no digit to subtract anything. We have to write the digit as it is. So the 38 minus 4, the answer is 34. Next, move to the another sum. Here the given number is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How much we have to take away from that? We have to take away 3 from 9. 1, 2, 3. The remaining is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now here there is nothing to subtract. So we assume that here 0. So we have to write 1. The answer is 16. Okay, children. Next, move to the another sum. Here the given number, the big number is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How much we have to take away? We have to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. How much is left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is left. 9 minus 5 is 4. Next, here is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much we have to take away here? We have to take away 2. 1, 2. The remaining answer is 1, 2. That is 24. 49 minus 25 is 24. Like this, we have to subtract the given numbers. To make it easy, better you draw the lines and subtract the numbers. Next, move to the another activity. Next, the other topic is subtraction property. That is, as in a addition there are properties of addition, in subtraction there are properties of subtraction. The first property is subtracting 0. Okay, if we subtract 0 from the given number, the answer will be the number itself. Okay, here 32 minus 0, that answer will be the number itself. For example, if you assume that you are having 32 books and you will give nothing to anyone else, the remaining books with you is 32 only. Okay, 95 minus 0, the answer is 95 only. If we subtract 0 from any number, the number remains the same. Next is subtracting number itself. Subtracting itself. For example, if we have to subtract 7 from 7, what will be the answer? For example, if you are having a 7 balloons, those 7 balloons you have given to your sister. How many balloons left with you? There is 0. Okay. If we subtract the number with the same number, the answer will be the 0. For example, 52 minus 52. If you have a 52 chocolates and you will distribute all those 52 chocolates with your friends, how many chocolates will left with you? That is 0. If the number is subtracted from the same number, the answer will be the 0. Next, subtracting 1. Okay, subtracting 1. Next one, subtracting 1. What is subtracting 1? If we subtract 1 from the given number, the number we will get is the number just before that number. For example, 43 minus 1, that is equal to, if we take away 1 from 43, the number will be the answer will be the 42. What is the before number of the 42? That is 42. The before number of the 43 is 42. Like this, if we subtract the number with the 1, the answer is just before the given number. The next property is subtracting two consecutive numbers. Consecutive means one after the another. The numbers which falls one after the another. Okay. If we subtract 49 from 48, these are the two numbers given. If we subtract, the answer will be the 1. If we subtract two consecutive numbers, the number which will falls one after the another or one before the another, we will get answer 1 only. This is the last property of subtracting. Next we will move to the activity 2, that is fill in the blanks. We have to subtract by using subtraction properties. Okay. If we subtract 0 from 7, what is the answer? That is 7 only. That any number that subtracted from 0, the number remains same. Second one. Here the answer is 45. How much we have to subtract here to get the 45? Here the given answer is 1. So 46 minus 1, that is equal to 45. If we take away 1 from the 46, we will get the before number 45. 45 is the number just before the 46. Now next one is 43 minus how much to get 42? It is 1. If we subtract 1, we will get the number just before the given number. Here is 99. The answer is also 99. So what we have to subtract here to get the answer 99? That is 0. If we subtract 0 from any number, the number remains same. Do you understood, children? Okay, now we will move to the next activity. Next, we will move to the activity 3, word problems. Out of 46 students in a class, 22 are boys. How many girls are there in the class? Okay, the number of students in a class are 46. In 46, there are number of boys in a class is 22. So we have to find out how many girls are present in a class. So what we have to do here, we have to subtract these numbers. Always start subtracting from the ones place. So 6 minus 2, how much? That is 4. Okay. Next, 4 minus 2, that is 2. There are 24 girls in a class. Okay, children, do you understood the word problems? We will move to the next activity. Next, subtraction with regrouping. Okay, we have seen the addition with the regrouping. Now we will learn the subtraction with regrouping. How to subtract with the regrouping? Step 1. Subtract the digits at the ones place first. Subtract digits at ones place. The digits at one place is 2 and 8. So what we have to do here? We can't subtract a greater number from a smaller number. So what we have to do here? We have to take a carry over. We have to borrow the number from the tens place. Now we have borrowed the number from the tens place, that is 1. Here it has become 12. Okay. Now 12 minus 8. How much 12 minus 8? That is 4. The answer is 4. Now we have to subtract the digits at the tens place. Step 2. Subtract digits at tens place. That is, here how much is remaining now? That is 2, because we took a one number borrow. So in here it is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 32 minus 14 is equal to 14. Okay. 42 minus 18 is equal to 14. Next we will do the another sum. Another sum is 44 minus 17. Sigma 44 minus 17. To subtract, what we have to do? First we have to subtract at the digits at the ones place. What are the digits at the one place? 4 and 7. Here we can't subtract a greater number with a smaller number. So we have to one number borrow. It has become 14 now. Okay, here 3 is left because we took 1 from 4. Here 14 minus 7. How much? 14 minus 7? That is 7. Okay. Here we will write the 7 is, here it is 3 and 1. Subtract the digits at the tens place, that is 3 minus 1, that is 2. The answer is 27. So the difference between 44 and 17 is 27. Do you understood, children? Okay. Okay, children, I think you have understood the sums. I will send you the SLA of these sums. You practice both in textbook and SLA book. Don't go outside to play. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.